Hey guys, it's Lupe Lupita from Lupita's Artistry, and today we're going to be removing my nails. So, today I'm going to be removing my Christmas nails. It's already been past Christmas. It's time to get a new set. So, here I am clipping off. Well, first I got to show you the stuff. So, you're going to need a nail file. You're going to need nail clippers and your dish to soak them off. So I'm 100% pure acetone. Make sure it's 100. It's the best. And now we're going to be clipping off our nails. Make sure it's not too close to your finger or your natural nails, because otherwise you can cut into your actual skin in the nail and that's going to hurt. Here I am just doing a thumbnail. I've seen this idea before on Instagram and I thought it was really cute, so I want to do it for my thumbnail. So I am really impatient with soaking off and everything, so I use my drill to aid me in removing my thing. And we also need to remove the top coat, because sometimes the top coat interferes with the removal and it makes it a lot slower. So I just drill off the top coat before I actually start soaking it off. And I do take off some of the acrylic, especially near your apex area, because it's really thick. So here you're gonna see me filing off a lot of the acrylic. Another thing to make sure is to not stand in the same place the entire time when doing your nails. You can actually burn yourself or a client if you're doing it on a client. Also, I file off a lot of the excess nails that hang off of the tip of my fingernail. That way it's just more sped up. So here I am getting my soak off dish and putting my acetone. You have to have enough acetone to completely immerse your fingers inside of the liquid. And you have to wait for a couple minutes. Here I had already put them down for like 15 minutes. And some of the acrylic had already started falling off. And since I'm impatient, I kind of drill it all off. And then I put it back into the liquid so I can continue to soak off. I just feel like this is a lot quicker than getting a cuticle pusher just to push it off. And in the process, apart from pushing it off, it could also take off some of the underneath, which would aid in making it faster. So I was using a coarse drill bit because it's just easier to remove bulk using a coarse drill bit. And also, if you see my natural nail there, I'm not actually using the coarse bit on my natural nail. I have clear acrylic underneath all my color, because it's a faster change just in case you want to change your color or your design. So yeah, I have clear acrylic, so I'm not actually touching natural nail. Coarse drill bits should not be on your natural nail. It could really harm and damage your nails. Also, your monomer should be EMA, not MMA. The way you can tell that it's MMA is if you notice a lot of when I drill, it's actually coming off in like chunks. It's not gooey. EMA is actually really dangerous for your nails. It's not meant for your nails, but it's really cheap, so a lot of people use it. But it hurts your natural and damages it. It could actually potentially make you lose your natural nail. So make sure you're a nail tech, or if you are a nail tech, you're using EMA. Here I am drilling more, and I'm careful not to get to my natural nail using that coarse one. I do get out of focus a lot. It's one of my first videos. Also, if you start the removal process and it's someone like me who puts clear acrylic underneath their colored acrylic, because you know sometimes you want to change the design, or sometimes it prevents staining of your natural nails, do not halfway change it and be like, oh, I can leave that colored acrylic. I believe that the acetone damages the entire nail. So here I am. I stopped using the drill because I was getting really close to my natural nail. So I started using my nail file where I could have more control over where I'm placing it. I'm also shaping my natural nails because I personally love having my natural nails well groomed once I remove a set. I don't like cut up. Here I'm wiping up off my nails to see if there's any acrylic left. And I'm also using acetone to wipe it off. And I'm also taking off some of the dust. Once we're done with removing the acrylic, I always make sure to apply cuticle oil to the natural nails to help restore their healthiness. I do a silk off around every 3 months maybe, depending on what I feel like or if I have to change the design. But I do let my nails breathe a lot because it's healthier for your nails. So here's the finished product of removing your nails the natural and more safer way. Do not take off, just smash off your nails. That makes me cringe every time I see those videos on Instagram and such. So that's the end of my video. Go like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.